How to replace a 2012 Hyundai Sonata 4-button keyless entry remote battery. Presented by SgtLocksmith. For this task you will need the following: 1 flat-tip screwdriver and 1 CR2032 battery. Time to complete this task approximately 2 minutes. The SgtLocksmith channel gives no warranty and accepts no responsibility or liability for the accuracy or completeness of the information and materials contained in this video. Under no circumstances will SgtLocksmith nor Specialist C. Brown be held responsible or liable in any way for any claims, damages, losses, expenses, costs or liabilities whatsoever, including, without limitation, any direct or indirect damages for loss of profits, business interruption or loss of resulting or arising directly or indirectly from your use of inability to use this video or any videos linked to it, or from reliance on the information provided in this video. And now here's SgtLocksmith.
Alright, hey, it's SgtLocksmith here. Okay, we're going to change the battery here out on our 4-button Hyundai remote. So, as you notice, you got your 3 on the front and your emergency on the back. If your keys are attached, go ahead and leave them on. They're not going to be in the way. With that being said, you will need a flat tip screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. This task should take you under 2 minutes. Remember, we're not setting no speed records here. Go and put your flat tip right in that open spot that's on top of the remote. Just go and twist it. And you notice how it just pops open? I like to do it with the buttons down, and I'll show you why when we open it up. Now that it's open, watch your emergency button. They like to pop out, so just push it back down. It'll make it easier when you go to reassemble it. Take your Phillips, just lift up your flat tip, lift up your circuit board. Now if your circuit board is sticky, or it's sticky on the inside of this seal, right in here, go ahead, just lift it out. Go wash it off with a little warm water and dry it off. Make sure it's dry before you put it back together though. Now you see we got these little 3 tabs here. Do not press on them. You have this open spot here. That's the direction we want the battery to go. So we'll put the flat tip right there and push the battery out. Here's your CR2032 battery. It comes out. We're going to put the same one back in. These are new remotes we're using for the videos. Positive side up, and you'll push it in. And when you push it in, I like to use my finger to do it. That way I know I get to there and I'm not going to bend them. Put your circuit board back in, and it's going to sit down in there, and it's got a little recess for it. And go ahead and fold the back half over. And gently squeeze the sides, and she should start snapping them together. And just work your way around with it, and you notice it's sealed up. If you got your car by you, you should be able to push your lock button, unlock button. If not, you notice when I push the button, a little red light came on. We're done. Hey, thanks again for watching, and if this video helped you out, give us a thumbs up if you would. Let's stay safe out there.